Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this instant kimchi ramen noodles into a stir-fry noodles. Let's go! Alright, so first thing you have to do, you have to boil water in a pot and then just cook the kimchi noodles according to the instructions at the back. So just boil the water and then cook the noodles for 3 minutes. Add water to the pot until halfway and then boil them. Alright, so here are the ingredients. So we have the kimchi noodles, we have some seaweeds, some minced garlic that I made days ago, and we have some bell peppers, 1-piece carrots, and then some mushrooms. That's it. So all we have to do right now is cut the carrots and bell peppers and mushrooms, and then we're gonna start cooking them. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take out the seasoning, the pre-packed flavors, leave that one aside, and then we're just gonna cook the noodles first. For 3 minutes. Okay. Try to mix them time to time so the noodles will separate. Alright, after 3 minutes, we're going to drain the water, but as you can see right here, I'm going to save the water for the noodles because I'm going to use it later to stir fry the noodles, okay? Let's drain the noodles first and save the water for later. Alright, see that water right there? We're going to use it later. Alright guys, so we're gonna start stir frying the noodles. First things first, add some oil on the pan. Good amount, like 4 tablespoons. Okay, I think it's already hot, so we're gonna add some garlic. Okay. Stir fry them. Cook the garlic first, then you can now add the vegetables. So okay, carrots and bell peppers first. Cook them. Add the mushrooms. You can add any vegetables you want, whatever you have in your house. You can also put cabbage if you like at the end, but this is just like the basic ones you can add for your noodles. Okay, so just keep stir frying until the vegetables are cooked. Add a little bit of salt. Stir fry again. Once the vegetables are cooked, now you can add the seasoning. The pre-packed seasoning. This one. Alright. Add it right there. Like that. Mix them up. Now you have to add a little bit of water. Remember the pasta water that I used earlier for the noodles? That's the one I'm using. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Make sure to spread the bottom of your pan because that's where the flavor is. Nothing should stick on the pan. Okay. Now you can add your noodles. Alright, that's it guys. It's already cooked. We're gonna put them on a plate, garnish them with spring onions, and it's gonna be ready to eat. Alright guys, I hope you learned something today. If you like the stir-fried kimchi noodles, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you and see you again in my next video.